Like no chicken marinating has like made me like contemplate like reaching
Stick your
in
finger and trying a little bit
and eating it than this chicken. But I'm always just like, oh yeah, I could. And then I'm like, oh wait, this is raw chicken. Hi, my name's Priya Krishna. I'm the author of the cookbook Indianish, and I'm here with Meherwan Irani, chef owner of Pani. And we're gonna make a few recipes from the book, starting with the garlic ginger chicken with cilantro and mint. So Meherwan not only is the chef owner of Pani, but he has his own spice company, Spicewalla, which just recently launched, and sort of your grab bag of all the spices you could possibly need to do some Indian cooking of your own. We're going to be using
handy dandy 3-pack of spices.
That's the official term.
The official difference. Handy dandy 3-pack of spices. Collaboration between Spicewalla and Indianish, and I think what we're going to use in this recipe is roast coriander powder.
Yep.
We're going to use amchur, which is dried mango powder.
Dry mango powder.
Also from the big kitchen essentials spice kit, we're going to use Kashmiri chili powder. I think that's all we need, right?
Yeah.
Let's work on the chicken, and I think we've got pretty much everything ready.
We've got everything, so we just need to make our marinade and then dump the chicken in it. In the marinade, we've got lemon juice, amchur, dry mango powder, mint, ginger, chili, garlic.
Those are sort of bird's eye or Thai chilies.
Yeah, Thai
but
chilies.
But you can use serranos. I use serranos.
You can use serranos, just anything kind of fruity. Coriander seed, that's sort of the primary flavoring in this, and then our red chili powder for some heat. So to this, we're gonna add oil, ginger, garlic.
All right.
So we got about 3 tablespoons. You can eyeball it if you want.
3 tablespoons of oil, roughly.
And we've got our ginger, garlic, a full tablespoon of coriander powder, because this is sort of the primary flavoring for this. Okay, there you go. Mix that in. A teaspoon of amchur. And what I love about amchur is that it sort of does something really similar to what like lemon or vinegar might do. Like it kind of adds that acidity to the citric element. So like if I don't have lemon, in a pinch, I'll just like add a little bit of amchur to something to bring acidity to that. Cool. And then I'm gonna add half teaspoon of turmeric. It adds sort of this like depth and earthiness.
All right, looking good so far. What else we got?
Yeah,
that's it, right?
That's it. Now you just put our chicken in.
Put our chicken there.
Do you have like a sort of like go-to like chicken dish at home? They're like a go-to combination?
I cook so much Indian food in the restaurants that at home I rarely cook Indian food. That should be enough.
Yeah. And then just mix it all up.
Normally what, you'd marinate this for an hour or so, 2 hours maybe?
Yeah, but like sometimes my aunt just marinates it for 20 minutes and that still imparts the flavor that you need. Okay. Oh, you know what I just remembered? Yeah. Salt. We didn't salt it. Or do you want the coarse stuff? What's your preference?
You got the coarse stuff?
Yeah, I have the coarse stuff.
It's just easier to take a pinch of kosher salt that's coarse as versus fine salt.
You can see it.
So let's put this aside for what, like 20 minutes or so?
Yeah. So the chicken you can kind of cook. I cook it sort of the low and slow method on the pan, but you can cook it whatever way you like to cook chicken. What is your favorite way to do it on the pan?
Oil, low and slow, the way you like to do it.
So what I'll usually do is I'll sear it on both sides for about a minute until it's golden brown, and then turn it down.
Yep,
yeah.
That's what I was thinking. Let's put these pieces in. So the trick is, obviously lay it down so you don't splatter the shit out of yourself.
Yep.
And also don't crowd the pan.
Don't crowd the pan. So you can always do it in 2 batches.
You can always do it in 2 batches, exactly. That's what I tell everybody all the time. And maybe one more little piece there.
Yep, and we'll do the rest in a second. Well, nice char.
Which I want to.
I'll chop up some cilantro and we can, that's the last step.
Oh, man.
Put on top.
I have a special.
Oh my God, thank you.
Thank you.
I feel so classy. Cheers.
Cheers.
So the last step is I'm gonna chop up a bunch of cilantro. Cilantro is sort of used as a finishing herb in most Indian dishes. You know, it's just one of those things that brightens up and freshens what is a very spice-heavy cuisine. And I don't know how you feel on this, Meherwan, but
Yeah.
I am pro using the stems.
Oh, absolutely. I mean,
There are people who like only are like leaves only, but
No.
why waste? I'm just chopping that really coarsely.
Whose chicken is this again?
Sonia Mami's chicken.
Sonia Mami's chicken. Awesome.
Shout out to Sonia Mami.
Right. And Mami is aunt on the mother's side.
Yeah, exactly.
Maternal aunt.
Exactly.
So is there a finishing touch?
Finishing touch? Yes, the cilantro.
Oh.
Just, and there's no like rules to this. You just kind of make it rain.
I love the way you work with negative space there.
There we go.
Excellent. Some chicken with your cilantro. That looks awesome. All right, I'm diving in. You ready?
Yes.
It's medium rare. Is that okay?
You and I love, you can taste like the ginger and the mint. Like you can just really taste every component.
And that lime juice in there?
Hey, save some for the camera, people.
Oh, sorry. Damn.
I have this theory that the next thing that the bros are going to take is Lambrusco, and they're going to call it Lambrosco.